Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4 when to explain material about code switching. Okay, let's go just start. Abstract. Code switching is include to sociolinguistic science of the subject about language of the coder as in the community. The traditional coder of his or her ordinary can be found in the film, novel, drama, or even everyday life. The sometimes speaker converse their code redirect switching in in-depth and interesting topic discussed because this is not only happening in everyday life situation but also in the movie or novel. The study analyzes the code switching in the Toy Story film. The film tells of the adventure of the toy and master and their master consign code. The method as the in analysis are situational code switching and metahogital code switching. The study instead to get to know more about code switching code and concludes the sentence code in the film. Definition: code switching. Code switching is method of language change that a person has been from one language to another. Code switching can be the first sentence that involves parts of words or even parts of the words. Code switching when happen when one accesses a language but other answer it was with another language. The transfer of code is asked to meet the reason of transfer when the language asked by a person is conveying a message that does not success or fail. The person needs to change his language in the exercise. Language is easy to understand. Next, type as code switching. Intercentral switching. Intercentral switching can be explained as with a sentence switching where the speaker switches back and forth within single sentence. Text switching. Text switching involves the inversion of a text from one language into saying with a otherwise entirely and the other language. Intersential switching. Intersential switching involves movement from one language to another between sentences. Okay, the next text will be present by Desi Ismawati.
Situational code switching, a method that discusses the code that occurs without changing the topic but because there is a change in situation things as the presence of a third person where the speaker speaks a certain language, code language, and certain situation, then switch to another language in another situation. Metapochital code switching, a method that discusses code that occurs in conversation which intends to difference the topic in a conversation. Some reason why code switching often. 1. The person has difficulty speaking a certain language. 2. The topic in conversation is better discussed in another language. 3. Partners in conversation do not master the language used. 4. Conversation topic avoid in the intellectual. 5. The desire to make the conversation closer by using more suitable words to express something. 6. Consideration of the situation the conversation was held. 7. Checking the language unconsciously. Analisis film Toy Story. Situational code switching. 1. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi normal ke situasi ramai. 2. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi normal ke situasi darurat. 3. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi darurat ke situasi menegangkan. 4. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi normal ke situasi darurat. 5. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi normal ke situasi darurat. 6. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari ramai ke hening. 7. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari damai menjadi keributan. The next slide will be presentation by Anissa Yuliani.
Number 8. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari situasi sepi ke situasi ramai. Number 9. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari normal menjadi bahagia. Number 10. Pada dialog ini terdapat perubahan situasi dari tenang menjadi terburu-buru. B. Metapolitical code switching. Number 1. Dalam dialog You Later Woody, terdapat pengalihan topik dari mainan ke manusia, dan mainan yang semulanya benda mati berubah menjadi hidup. Number 2. Dalam dialog They're Here, Birthday Cake at 3 o'clock, mengalihkan topik dari fokus ke rapat lalu berubah fokus ke tamu undangan. Number 3. Dalam dialog Oh, I thought him to pick this up, mengubah topik dari fokus ke tamu undangan lalu berfokus ke mainan yang terinjak Mrs. Davis. Number 4. Dalam dialog Red Arlet, Andy is coming upstairs, membuat obrolan menjadi kacau karena Andy sedang menuju ke kamarnya dan mainan yang awalnya hidup kembali menjadi benda mati. Number 5. Dalam dialog Why? Thank you all, thank you, terdapat perubahan topik dari awalnya Woody menjadi perhatian para mainan lalu berubah ke mainan baru. Number 6. Dalam dialog It Sides, topik percakapan teralih karena ada Side, si pemilik mainan yang kejam, lalu para mainan merasa ketakutan. The next slide will be presented by Lewi Gabriel.
Thank you Anissa. Number 7. Dalam dialog, terjadi pengalihan topik dari insiden jatuhnya bus lalu fokus mencari tersangka. Number 8. Dalam dialog, menggagalkan pengukuhan Woody karena Andy kembali ke kamarnya, lalu para mainan kembali ke posisi masing-masing. Number 9. Dalam dialog, menghentikan pertengkaran Woody dan Buzz, lalu mereka berpindah fokus memikirkan nasib karena telah tertinggal oleh Andy. Next. The conclusion, switching code is a phenomenon that is associated with a foreign language or language containing certain meaning, which is natural, can be used in many activities, although sometimes seen as careless way or his pronunciation easily understood that it is natural and can be converted into useful activities in understanding someone's speech. So I think that's enough for our presentation, and thank you.